Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to channel. Ever had that pesky check engine light pop up out of nowhere? It could be something as simple as this little guy, the gas cap. Today, we're diving into how your gas cap works, why it's important, and how you can fix common issues. Let's get started. The gas cap is used to ensure that no dirt, debris or dust enter your fuel tank, and that none of the fuel vapors escape. The gas cap is on the right side of the vehicle, if you are in a right-hand traffic country, and vice versa. A faulty gas cap can result in poor fuel economy. You may find the fuel smell from the vehicle, and that you can't tighten the cap properly. Engine light on your dashboard, and store the gas cap related error codes. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with a correct model gas cap. After fixing or replacing the gas cap, the check engine light should turn off after a few drives. If it doesn't, you might need to reset it manually or with an OBD scanner. And that's all there is to it. A tiny gas cap can make a big difference in your car's performance and efficiency. So, the next time that check engine light comes on, check your gas cap first. It might just save you a trip to the mechanic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car care tips and tricks. See you next time.